Hi, I'm Janet, a professional home economist. Have you ever wondered after cleaning your glassware why it still looks dirty or cloudy? It is due to hard water. I'll show you a really easy way of cleaning your glassware. Just start with a pitcher of water, or you can just use straight vinegar. If you use straight vinegar, it'll clean it quicker. I have some water in the jug already. I'm going to add some vinegar to that. And really, this is all you need. I'm going to take one of my glassware, this is a vase, and I'm just going to put it right into the water and vinegar. You're going to let it sit in here for at least an hour, possibly two, depending how stubborn these stains look. If you have something like this type of vase where it's really kind of an odd shape and it has a tall, skinny neck, you might want to use your sink because it is a little bit bigger. It's not going to fit into a jug. You will also need a bottle brush. I find this works great for taking hard water deposits off because you can get right into the base of the vase and just twirl it around like that, and that should really help to get those hard water deposits out. I have a glassware here that has not gotten any cleaner with soaking. It is permanently damaged and is what we call etched, and it just naturally happens over time. I do have a bottle here that I soaked earlier, and as you can see, it is super clean compared to this one. If you have any more questions, call us or go to our website.